What's up, you guys? Are you tired of spending hundreds of dollars on your lace wig installs just for them to last only a week, if 2 weeks? Are you someone who wants to have your wig on only for a couple days, so therefore I'm not spending all these hundreds of dollars to get my lace wig installed, but I don't necessarily want it looking like a hat on top of my head? Or you someone like me who is suffering from alopecia and you have to feel comfortable wherever you go to when you get your wigs installed. But because you're suffering from alopecia and you're uncomfortable about it, you just can't go anywhere and you prefer to do it in the privacy of your own home. I get it. That's how I came into this space, and this is how I built this brand. If you don't know who I am, my name is Shemika. I am the founder of KAFUNE, More Hair Care. I've been able to help thousands of women install their lace wigs with our product. I've been in the industry for over 15 years, and I'm here to help you with the very first do-it-yourself lace wig install class. It's a 4-hour class. It's in person, so it's no more YouTube University. I'm going to give you all the 15 years of experience that I have in this lace wig world, so you're able to get from the prepping of your lace wig all the way to the actual removal of your lace wigs and everything in between during these 4 hours. We will supply you with all the products that you'll need for your lace wig install, except for the lace wig, unless you want a lace wig. That's a whole nother thing. But we will include all the products that you'll need, not only to prep your lace wig, to install your lace wig, but also to remove your lace wig and to maintain the lace wig install. So by the time you get out of this class, it's do-it-yourself, hands-on. I will be there instructing you, and then by the time you leave, you will feel confident, you'll feel rejuvenated, you'll feel as though you've been able to save a ton of money, because now you're able to properly put your own lace wigs on without it looking crazy or without it looking like a hat. So come join me at my do-it-yourself lace wig install class. You can tap the link in the bio, or you can tap the link in this this post, and you will see all the additional information. You will also see the dates in which you would I would be hosting the next do-it-yourself lace wig install. Hopefully see you there. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Peace.